I think customers appreciate the extent we go to make sure that everyone's looked after. We offer a number of services that customers really appreciate, things like collection deliveries, waiting appointments, loan cars, and the speed at which we can get you in and sorted. Our workshop has many years of experience.
Since probably 1996.
15 years.
Over 20 years now. Master Tech is specialist on that particular vehicle. It's the highest level you can get. Must have dealt with hundreds of thousands of vehicles.
We like to remind customers that we have that experience and that we take great care of the car whilst it's here.
So the standards are a lot higher, the level of training that we have to go through and courses and updates. Your local garage isn't going to know the product and the brand that we've studied for 10, 20, 30 years.
We're fast and efficient at what we do, and we always have a good customer relationship.
Always try to go above and beyond for everyone.
The thing I enjoy most about the role is the people that I work with.
Family environment. You talk to the owners, you talk to the managing director, you've got a problem, it gets sorted.
I had a stroke 6 months ago, and they were literally amazing to me. Couldn't ask for anything more. Some companies would have just pushed you to one side. Derek and all the other team behind it actually helped me through it, so it's quite amazing, yeah.
You're not just a problem or a number.
We will always be here for you. If you need any service or repair, come to us and we'll be able to help you out.
We go the extra mile, and we have a wealth of experience both in the front desk, the sales team and the workshop. It's a very close-knit department, like a small family.